Hello dear students, again welcome you in my video, my channel. In this video we are going to start our case study one question. Case study, I told you in the previous study video that case study will be given one paragraph to you. Among that from that paragraph the 5 parts will be asked to you, 5 questions, and 5 questions will be a multiple choice objective type, 1 mark each. So you have to do any 4 parts in it. Okay, so let us study our that case study. Now this is our new case study. So this Gulmohar tree in x and y axis, the plants are given to you. So from here, very first let me write this PQRS part is given to you, garden. Let me find the coordinate of these all parts. See from here, x axis Q is at distance of 2 and y 3, and if you see this will be 6 comma 3, and if you see S, this will be 6 comma 6, and this will be 2 comma 6. Okay, so we got the 4 coordinates of these, and see the diagram given here. Okay, so and what a case study, let me read. The plantation of control pollution, this is the topic of this. The class 10th students of secondary school in Krishinagar has been allotted a rectangular plot of land for this garden activity. Saplings of Gulmohar plants are planted. Saplings of Gulmohar plants are planted on the boundary of a distance of 1 meter from each other. There is a rectangular grassy lawn in a plot as shown in the figure. The students showing seeds of flower plants on the remaining area of the plot. इसके अलावा बाकी remaining area है, इनको seed show करने हैं. तो first part what is asked to you, find the coordinate of Q and S. So what are the coordinate of Q and S? The first part 2, 3 and S के कितने हैं 6, 6. Okay, so 2, 3 and 6, 6 is your first part, first option. And the rest 2 options are 3, 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 5, 5, and last option is none of these. So this is your right option. Okay. Now what is the B part? B part is given to you. Find the distance between the vertices Q and S. इन दोनों के बीच की distance निकालनी है. So now you can see by distance formula. Okay. Using distance formula, what is the length between this? QS के बीच की length जो है square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So take any one x1, take any one y1. So 6 minus 2 x ले लेते हैं दोनों के plus 6 minus 3 whole square. So this will get 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. Root of 25, that means answer is 5. So this is your 5. Okay, so it will given to you 5, and the correct option is 3, 5, 6 or 7. You will get 5. Okay, third part, find the width of rectangle PQRS. PQRS की width निकालनी है, that means ये, तो इन दोनों के बीच की distance निकाल लेंगे. So C part is width of PQRS is the distance SR, which is equals to same formula 6 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 3 y में से y minus किया whole square. तो ये तो 0 का square 0, 6 में से 3 minus किया 3, 3 का square 9. तो this is square root of 9, that means 3. So the correct option is 3. Okay. So these are your 3 parts. So let us do our D part and E part now. Okay. So let us start. So now what is D part is asked to you that if G divides the line segment QR in 1:2, तो यहाँ पर एक point G है कि 1:2 में इस line segment को divide कर रहा है. Okay. So find the coordinate of G. तो G के coordinate हमें find करना है. तो आप क्या करोगे? सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे. यूजिंग सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. ओके, तो सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करो. व्हाट इज m1? 1. व्हाट इज m2? 2, what is x1 2, x2 6, y1 3 and y2 3. ये देखो 3 3. So therefore what is section formula? हमके coordinate of g के coordinate find करने हैं. So that means x coordinate कितना होता है? x coordinate m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Same way you want y coordinate, okay, x and y. Same way y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so that is what is m. 1 into x2, this is 6, plus m2 is 2 into x1 2 divided by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2, and this y coordinate, then same way m1 by 2, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 divided by 1 plus 2. So if you will solve it, so 6 plus 4 divided by 3 and 3 plus 6 divided by 3. So we'll get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 upon 3, comma 9 upon 3, 3. So 10 upon 3, comma, what will be the coordinate of this? 10 upon 3, comma 3. Okay. And the last part is given to you. That means E part. What is E part? C. Find the area of rectangular field PQRS. तो इस पूरे का area निकालना है. So area of rectangular field PQRS is equals to length into breadth. Okay. So इसका मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक के distance और यहाँ से यहाँ तक के distance you have to find. Right now we find the distance. Width तो हमने निकाल ली थी, length भी निकाल लो. ठीक है. So what is length? Distance between these two. So that means length की जगह क्या है? x1 minus x2, 6 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, 3 minus 3 whole square. तो 0 का square हो जाएगा. 6 minus 2, 4, 4 का square, 16, तो 4 आ गई. And into breadth. Okay, this is length. And same way we can find breadth. Breadth is equals to, right now we did breadth is equals to 3. So breadth is equals to 3. So therefore area is equals to 4 into 3 is equals to 12 centimeter square. So this is your fourth part of 18th question. Okay, so hope you like this case study, because this case studies are very easy and interesting. Okay, so please do all the case study, and the case study will be given you like this. Okay, so till then, so for this video, this case study is enough. Next case study we will just do in next video. Okay, so till then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Please do like and subscribe the channel and take care. Bye bye.